today's video, we will go over the creative settings. We will cover the steps needed to ensure that you are uploading and setting your creatives properly. We will be covering on how to create a new creative group, uploading, editing creatives, duplicating creative groups, as well as adding creative groups back into the campaigns. First, select the app that you have previously registered to add the creatives to. If you currently do not have any registered apps, please refer to our campaign setting video tutorial before uploading the creatives. Once you click on the app, you will see a list of the campaigns, creative groups, and creatives linked to that app. Click on Creative Groups to see the list of creative groups already registered. To create a new creative group, go ahead and click Create. Input the title of the creative group. You may also add a description, but this is optional. You can add memos such as banners only. Next, you have the option to set a schedule for the creative group. You can select the time zone and also set a schedule if needed. By setting a schedule, you can control what day and time the creatives in this creative groups will be released. For example, if you choose to set a custom schedule, you can schedule your creative groups to be shown only on the weekends. If there is no need for a custom schedule, you can simply select All, which will show the creatives at all times. There is an option to select and set a tracking link within the creative group. If you would like to add a new tracking link for this creative group, click New Tracking Link and input your links here. In the case a tracking link is set within the creative group, this tracking link will take precedence over the tracking link set within the campaign. However, if there is no tracking link selected, the creative group will use a tracking link that is set within the campaign level. If you would like to see a different name in your MMP dashboard for the creative group, you can insert your MMP report group ID here. Once all of the information is filled out, go ahead and click Create. To add creatives directly, you can either select Yes or select No to add creatives back into the group at a later time. Once the creative group is created, you will find it under the creative group list here. Create separate creative groups for different creative formats such as banners or videos. Then monitor the performance of each creative group and the different creative formats. However, if you wish, you can upload all of the creative formats into one creative group. To upload creatives to a creative group, first click on the title of the creative group you would like to add creatives to. Then select the tab of the type of creative you would like to upload. You can select either image, native, or video. Let's start with image creatives. First, click Create. We use the creative file name for all reporting purposes. In the title section, you are able to select if you want the creative file name uploaded with or without the file extension. This refers to the .jpg at the end of the file name. If you wish to set a new title for the creative, you may also enter a title manually. I am going to select Use the upload file name with the extension as the creative title for this demo. Then drag and drop all of the image creatives that you want to add to the creative group here. Any unsupported sizes will be listed here on the right-hand side. Click Remove Unsupported Files to remove all of the images that are not supported at once, and then click Create. You will then see a list of all of the creatives that have just been uploaded in this section here. To upload a native image, go to the Native Image tab and click Create. Again, you can choose whether or not to include the extension in the creative title. Next, enter the title, a description, which needs to be a maximum of 90 characters, as well as a call to action text. Next, you will need to upload an icon, which needs to be a 1:1 ratio and 256 pixels or larger. You can drag and drop your icon here. You can click on the information button to see the supported dimensions and sizes. Next, drag and drop your native image file here. A video is not required when you upload a native image. When you're done, click Create. You will see your native image that has been uploaded in this section here. Lastly, we will upload the video creatives. go to the Video tab and click Create. Again, select if you would like to include the file extension in the title. We support videos that are 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. Click the Information button for detailed specifications. Drag and drop your videos here. End cards are mandatory for all video creatives, and we highly recommend uploading an end card that is the same ratio as the videos that you have uploaded. You can drag and drop your end cards in this section here. If there are any unsupported files, you may remove them at this time, and you can see the end cards and videos that have been uploaded in this section. Once uploaded, click Create. You will see the videos that have been uploaded in this section here. To edit creative groups, you can go to the creative group list. By clicking on the pencil icon, you will be able to edit the title, the description, the day and time schedule, the tracking link, or the MMP report group ID. You can make any changes and click Save. To edit the creatives within the creative group, click on the creative group title itself. To make a change to the individual creative, you can click on the pencil icon. Here, you will be able to edit the title if necessary. You can also delete the creative by clicking on the trash can button, which will delete the creative altogether. To add creatives to this group, click Create and drag and drop the files that you would like to add to the group here. As you can see, currently creatives and creative groups are listed below each registered app, which is separated by each operating system. However, there are many cases in which the same creatives are shared between Android and iOS campaigns for the same title or the same app. Thus, there is an option to duplicate the creative groups and move them under different apps within the same ad account. First, go to the list of creative groups that you would like to duplicate. Then, select the creative groups you would like to duplicate by checking this box on the left-hand side. Then, click Duplicate. By selecting the original app, the creative groups will be duplicated under the same app. To move the creative groups under a different registered app, select Existing App. You will then see a list of the other apps registered within the ad account. Select the app you would like to move the creative groups to. You also have the option to set a new tracking link to this creative group, or you may simply not choose a tracking link. As previously mentioned, if a tracking link is set within the creative group level, this tracking link will take precedence over the tracking link set within the campaign. However, if there is no tracking link selected, the creative group will use whatever tracking link is set within the campaign level. Then click Confirm. The newly duplicated creative groups can now be found under the other app you have moved them to. The title will have Copy as a prefix to the original creative group title. To edit this, simply click on the pencil icon and change the name of the title. Then click Save. You will now see the creative group listed under the app you have moved it to. If you are creating a new campaign, there is a section within the campaign setup page where you can add in your creative groups. However, to add the creative groups back into an existing campaign, first click on the campaign list under the registered app. Then you will see the ad groups listed under that campaign. Click on the pencil edit icon button next to the ad group you wish to add the creatives to. By clicking Select, you will see a list of the creative groups that are under that app. Select the creative groups you would like to add and click Confirm. Once the creative groups are added, click Save. If you have multiple ad groups and wish to apply the creatives to the entire campaign, make sure to add the creative groups to all of the ad groups within that campaign. Only when the creative group is in the ad group will it be applied to the campaigns. For additional resources, please refer to our MOLOCO Help Center at moloco.zendesk.com. Here you will find notices for any newly released or updated features, as well as very detailed user manuals for any of the cloud features that are available. For any additional inquiries, please click Contact Us where you can send us a message. If you are an existing cloud user, please enter your workplace title as well as the category of the ticket you would like to issue so that our team can provide the support that you need.